Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will show you how to enable game filter in CSGO. Let's get into it. First, you need to install NVIDIA GeForce now. You have a link in description. After you install it, you need to go on Steam, right click on Counter-Strike, properties, then go on general and type this command. You have a link in description for this command. Okay, so after you typed that command, you need to go on Counter-Strike and press Alt-Z. Here you have game filter. I have already one preset and I will show you how to make it to the 0. Okay, so you press on styles and go on add filter. Here you go on details. Sharpen, it needs to be 0 or 50. This is your preference. I prefer 0. Clarity -50. HDR toning, it needs to be on 100%. And the last one, bloom, it needs to be on 0. Now you need to add color and go on vibrance and turn this to all the way up. Temperature 0, tint intensity 0, and tint color 0. This is how I make my CS looking that colorful. I hope you like this tutorial and see you next time. Goodbye.